Hakar pulai terik mentau banai ka kinhun ji kibrio na Karbi Anglong ki basyang basa hakaput ji West Janja Hills District kila kta akti bat sho e katu ka ningut ki rekhot ka seng United New Threat Movement hashrong Sabah ka bahab Halasken Block West Janja Hills District. Hakabe day bakani ka seng UHM po ka jalam uba banchai malngyang Joint Secretary ka seng kalalit ya kendo yomentri rang ba banrap ka sarkar jala uba Preston Tensong haka apun rio terik mentau banai ban pinsngo ha u ka jing sngo khia halor ka ne ka jingja.
Hundreds of them. They are coming for attacking our members of the organization. They came with knife, they came with moats, they came with stake in their hands for attacking people. That's why the organization pushed them to take some apologies. Otherwise, if they didn't take any apologies to the member within 1 week, the organization should take any other actions against them.
Hadian ka chia kandu ba banchai ulai thu bakani ka jing shale don bor ka jujiana ka por bar kum taw la kintu ye ka sarkar jalla bar kum juru ki district council wakide ban shim khia halor ka ni ka kam balada ka sarkar kam le ye ka seng kan shim de ki bei par ki sen jam na ka banta ban yadai ki brio ki basa ha ki than khapon.
It's always happening from time to time for so many organizations in the state of Meghalaya. It happened that the peoples of Assam attacking all the times for the people of Meghalaya. This is one of the main things that most of the organization should take initiative, should take an action regarding this matter. As we have seen in these past few days when the government passed a bill regarding the COVID-19 lockdown, they have been settled the police force in Police Bazaar, in Motpran, whatever it is. Why did not send the police force to these border areas? That's why we pushed the government to send the police force to the border areas. For what? Because of safety of the people living in that areas. If the government didn't take initiative, if the government didn't take any action, the organization will take another resort or other measures in regarding towards the government fails to comply with our suggestion in this matter in interest of the people residing along in the interstate border of Meghalaya and Assam.
Ulai thu bakani kala ja hakapor bakini ki rekhot ka seng kala lej ban jurip ye ka police outpost ye ka balatei hakate shnong klam de yo jing bin na ka sarkar Meghalaya. Hagani ka jingja sangut ki rekhot ka seng kila men saujur.
Our 5 members from the UHM has been injured, and then 3 of them very seriously they had injured regarding this matter, because why those hundred of peoples, they come with the knife, they come with a stick, they come with moats for attacking our peoples on that day. So on that day only, those 3 members of the organization from that Sabah village, we have taken to Boroto PHC, and then after getting a little help from Boroto PHC, directly we come and transfer them to Shillong to the Nigrims Hospital. So while explaining the story in that days, our 50 members of the UHM were attacked because why? When they gone to the inspection of the police outpost has been constructed illegally without without getting NOC from any branch of office from the department or government of Meghalaya.